For 72 seconds, something in deep space sent a signal to Earth, and it never happened again. There is a quiet field in Ohio. Nothing special at first glance, just trees, grass, and open land. But in 1977, a giant machine stood there, a strange telescope called the Big Ear. But this telescope did not look at space. It listened. It listened to radio waves coming from deep space, invisible signals traveling across billions of miles, from stars, from galaxies, from places humanity has never seen. Most of the time, it heard nothing, just the quiet noise of the universe. The telescope was part of a project called SETI, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. The idea was simple. If intelligent life exists somewhere in the universe, they might try to communicate, not with light, not with spaceships, but with radio signals, because radio waves can travel enormous distances through space. So scientists listened, day after day, night after night, year after year, and for a long time, nothing unusual appeared. Until one night, in August 1977, the telescope was scanning the sky, like it always did, quietly recording signals, printing rows of numbers onto long sheets of paper. Most numbers were small, weak, unimportant, just background noise. But suddenly, something appeared, a signal, and not just any signal, a powerful one. It started faint, then it grew stronger, stronger, and stronger, until it became one of the strongest signals ever recorded from space. Then suddenly, it disappeared, gone. The entire event lasted just 72 seconds. Days later, an astronomer named Jerry Ehrman was reviewing the data, page after page, of printed numbers, looking for anything unusual. Then he saw it. One sequence stood out immediately. The numbers read 6EQUJ5. It looked strange, but to scientists, those numbers meant something. They showed the signal was extremely strong, far stronger than normal cosmic noise, stronger than almost anything the telescope had ever detected. It didn't look natural. It looked deliberate. Ehrman was stunned. He grabbed a red pen, circled the numbers, and wrote one word next to them. Wow! That moment gave the signal its name, the WOW signal. Scientists immediately focused their attention on the same part of the sky the signal had come from, the direction of Sagittarius, a region filled with distant stars, possibly thousands of light years away. And there was another very strange detail. The signal appeared on a specific radio frequency, one that scientists call the hydrogen line. Hydrogen is the most common element in the universe. Every advanced civilization studying science would know this frequency. It sits in a quiet part of the radio spectrum, perfect for sending messages across space, which made the discovery even more mysterious. So scientists waited. They pointed telescopes at the same region, listening, hoping the signal would appear again. Hours passed, days passed, weeks passed, nothing. No second signal, no faint echo, just silence. It was as if something had spoken once, and then disappeared forever. Over the years, scientists proposed many explanations. Maybe it was a natural cosmic event, a strange burst of energy, maybe a passing object moving through space. Some suggested it was a satellite or secret technology, but none of those ideas fit the evidence. The signal was too precise, too narrow, too powerful. Natural space signals normally don't behave like that. Even decades later, the mystery remained unsolved. Think about the size of the universe. Our galaxy alone contains hundreds of billions of stars. Many of those stars have planets. Some planets may have oceans, atmospheres, even life. And maybe somewhere, far beyond our solar system, there are civilizations much older than ours. Civilizations capable of sending signals across the stars. If that's true, the universe may not be silent at all. Maybe we just haven't been listening long enough. In 1977, for just 72 seconds, Earth received a signal from deep space. Strong, precise, unexplained. Maybe it was a natural phenomenon we still don't understand. Or maybe, for a brief moment, something out there was trying to reach us. We heard it once, and we never heard it again. But somewhere In the darkness of space, whatever sent that signal might still be waiting for a reply.